everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. If your mornings always feel like a race against time, I've got your new breakfast BFF, oats and chia seeds wraps. These wraps are power packed, rich in fiber, omega-3s and proteins. They are super easy to prep, and the best part is they work while you sleep. Let's dive in and make these magical oats and chia seeds wraps together. Soak your oats and chia seeds overnight. And by morning, you've got a soft, nutrient-rich base that's creamy, filling, and ready to roll. And even better, you can stuff in whatever you like in these wraps. Fruits, nut butter, yogurt, or even savory fillings. There you go, guys. Our beautiful oats and chia seeds wraps are ready, and I filled it with avocados and gooseberries. Indians will understand how important gooseberries are for our hair, for our vitamin C. Amazing benefits. Do read up about gooseberries because I use that pickle in here, and it's my favorite tasting time. So let's see how it's turned out. These wraps are extremely soft and spongy, so they melt in your mouth. It's yummy. Healthy breakfast, check. Tasty, double check. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in and make these magical wraps. I watched Samay Raina's latest stand-up, and honestly, I loved it. I think he killed it for many reasons. I feel the number of controversies a good stand-up comedy can attract is unbelievable. I did not love his latest stand-up because it was safe or universally agreeable, but because it was raw, unpredictable, and most importantly, unapologetically real. Exactly what a stand-up comedy is meant to be, correct? And yes, it stirred up controversy, but that's kind of the point. The point that most of us miss is stand-up comedy was never about comfort. It was about perspective. Very strong perspective. It's about taking risks, pushing boundaries, and in the process, sometimes you're saying things that make people laugh. That's why it's a comedy. And guys, stand-up comedians are extremely intelligent because while doing all this, they even process and think at the same time. So give it to them. It is tough to do that. So stand-up comedians have to be smart, think on their feet. If every joke has to pass through a filter of what won't offend anyone, we definitely wouldn't have comedy. I'm sure about that. We'd have carefully edited silence. So here's the thing. Not every joke is for everyone, and that's okay. You don't have to agree with the comedian to appreciate the craft. Here's the thing, you don't even have to like it, but restricting comedy because it challenges people sets a dangerous precedent, because who decides where the line is? Today, it's a joke you dislike. Tomorrow, it could be an idea you believe in. Comedy is one of the few places where a society can reflect on itself without any formal rules. where uncomfortable truths can be explored with humor. Once you start putting rigid restrictions on that, you don't just limit comedians, but you limit conversation. Think about it. So instead of asking, should this be allowed? Maybe we should ask ourselves, why did this make me uncomfortable? Because sometimes that's where the real value lies. What do you think, guys? Should comedy have boundaries? Or should it stay completely free? Yes, and you should definitely watch Samay Raina's latest stand-up special, Still Alive, on YouTube. It's just not another comedy set. It's actually one of the biggest moments in stand-up right now. I watched it just 2 days ago and I could not stop connecting with this guy because he's been so real and so authentic, and he poured his heart out there, and it's so connectable, and I don't see any reason why anyone should have any complaints about this stand-up because it was exceptional. I personally love stand-up comedies, and my favorite has been Russell Peters, Chris Rock. I mean, I've watched all the legends perform stand-up, but this guy won my heart this time because he killed it. Very, very beautiful stand-up, guys. Do watch it. And I'm sure this support will mean everything to Samay Raina because this is a comeback from his, this is definitely a great comeback from his controversial India's Got Latent, where legal issues and backlash has made him to take down his show. So it's a great comeback. Samay Raina, if you're watching my video, then you killed it. We loved it, yes. It was the best 1 hour we spent watching your show, and I was hooked onto it. So you definitely are a great artist. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. It was my heartfelt video today. This is not a sponsored video, nor do I know Samay Raina, but his I'm just speaking about it because this guy definitely needs a shout out, and the way and all the controversies he's been through and the life he led is quite inspiring. So let's encourage good talent, right? Until I see you guys in my next video next Saturday, you take care, have fun, chill, don't take life too seriously, have fun. Bye bye.